Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we've got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change address on Amazon. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first of all, access a particular Amazon shopping app on your mobile phone, and here in this home section this kind of interface is gonna appear, right? So afterwards, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on this little hue aka profile icon beside the home icon below, and then you're going to find this kind of interface, right? So afterwards you're going to tap on this option called your account on top, and here in this section you're going to find this kind of interface, right? So for that matter, if you would like to change your address, you're going to scroll down to the account settings section till you find this option called your, simply go ahead, tap on it, and now here in this section you're going to find this two options: let's add a new address and add a pickup location. So we're going to tap on this add a new address. If you already have entered an address, you will find the address just right over there listed. You're simply going to go ahead and make some changes to them. Now go ahead, enter your particular changes just right over here, tap on this add address, and you will be done. If you would like to add a new pickup location as well, go ahead, tap on it, and you will be able to add a new pickup location for yourself just like that. So that is simply the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.